Morning students, in the today's period we can study here the cell division. What is cell division? Cell is important part of the life. Life starts from the single cell. That is, we can see the zygote. What is zygote? When the male gametophyte unites with the female gametophyte, that is the egg head, diploid zygote is formed. This is forming the seed vadron. म्हणून जीवनाची सुरुवात ही आपल्याला सिंगल सेल पासून झालेली मिळते. सुरुवातीला मेल पार्ट जो की अँड्रोसियमच्या मध्ये आहे, या ठिकाणी अँड्रोसियम along filament and antherlobes they are present at upper side. वरच्या बाजूला अँथरलोब असतात ज्याच्यामध्ये परागकण तयार होतात आणि हे परागकण आपल्याला बस झाल्याच्या नंतर त्याच्यामध्ये मेल गेमेटोफाइट तयार झालेला या ठिकाणी मिळतो. म्हणून हा मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह पार्ट आहे. दुसरा एग म्हणजे जो इनरमोस्ट पार्ट आहे फुलाचा, त्याला आपण कार्पेल किंवा पिस्टिल असं म्हणतो. तर खालच्या ग्लोबोज किंवा सर्क्युलर स्ट्रक्चरच्या मध्ये ओव्ह्यूलच्या मध्ये आपल्याला एग मिळतो. जेव्हा या एगच्या सोबत मेल गॅमेट युनाइट होतो तेव्हा आपल्याला डिप्लॉइड झायगोट मिळतो. सो लाईफ स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अ सिंगल सेल दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द झायगोट अँड सेल्स आर प्रोड्युस्ड फ्रॉम प्री एक्झिस्टिंग वन. सुरुवातीच्या पासूनच नवीन सेल तयार होतात असं आपल्याला सेल थेरीमध्ये अभ्यास करायला मिळतं. दॅट द सेल्स आर प्रोड्युस्ड बाय or from the pre-existing one. Now what is this cycle? It goes on rotation. Cell cycle means the sequential events they are occurring in the life of cell. त्याच्यामध्ये कोणताही बदल होत नाही. Sequential events are occurring inside the or in the life of a cell, that is called as the cell cycle. What is cell cycle? Sequential events occurs in the life cycle of cell called as the cell cycle. Now there are two phases in the cell cycle. Number one is interphase and second is the young phase. What is the interphase? How we can study these one after another? एकानंतर एक आपण बघू. Now here cell cycle means sequential events occurs in the life of cell. It is called as the cell cycle, and here in the cell cycle two phases are present, interphase and M phase. What is the interphase? It is the stage between two successive divisions. It is the stage between the two successive divisions and it is the largest. ही सर्वात मोठी असणारी स्टेज आहे ड्युरेशन मध्ये, टाइम पिरियड मध्ये. इट इज द लार्जेस्ट फेज अँड हॅव्हिंग कॅपॅसिटी टू प्रिपेअर फॉर नेक्स्ट सेल डिव्हिजन. याच्यामध्ये दुसऱ्या सेल डिव्हिजनच्या मध्ये जे काही लागतं ते तयार करण्याची क्षमता त्याच्यामध्ये आहे. सो इंटरफेस इट इज द स्टेज बिटवीन टू सक्सेसिव्ह डिव्हिजन. दोन सेल डिव्हिजनच्या मध्ये असणारी लॉंगेस्ट फेज आहे त्याला आपण इंटरफेज म्हणतो. या ठिकाणी बघा की इथून इथपर्यंत असणारी लॉंग फेज त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? इंटरफेज असं म्हणतो. दोन सक्सेसिव्ह डिव्हिजनच्या मध्ये असणारी ही एक फेज आहे. इट इज द लॉंगेस्ट वन अँड दिस फेज हॅव्हिंग कॅपॅसिटी टू प्रिपेअर फॉर नेक्स्ट सेल डिव्हिजन. दुसऱ्या सेल डिव्हिजनसाठी त्या ठिकाणी त्याची तयारी होते. इंटरफेज इज डिवायडेड इंटू G1, S and G2 phases. See here, G1, S and G2 phases. These are present in the interphase. So here the stage is divided into three different parts: G1, S, G2 and M phase. See here, we will find here the duration also. G1 phase, so it is the first gap phase. It is called as the first gap phase. When the cell divides, two cells they are formed. Some cells undergoes in division and some goes towards the body preparation, or where they are located in the meiosis for the gamete formation. When the two cells they are formed, after the telophase, interphase is starting and it is the longest one. G1 is the first gap phase. It starts immediately after cell division. सेल डिव्हिजनच्या नंतर ही लगेच तयार होते. RNA and protein synthesis takes place there. We know that RNA, that is the ribonucleic acid, they are different type. mRNA, messenger RNA, rRNA, ribosomal RNA, tRNA, transfer RNA. These are produced in the G1 phase. So it is the phase which is occurring immediately after the cell division. It is the gap 1 phase. Here the synthesis of RNAs takes place. Then the protein synthesis also takes place. So this is the phase of interphase. Interphase ची असणारी ही एक phase आहे. त्याचं ड्युरेशन 8 or more hours are given. Approximate time period is given. 8 hours or more time period is required for this phase, that is for the gap 1. Then S phase, that is the synthesis phase. So in the synthesis phase we will find that here the DNA replication takes place or synthesis takes place. Replication means 2 becomes double, duplicate, double number मध्ये तो होतो. Here histone and proteins they are produced. In this phase histone and proteins they are produced. DNA doubles. Why doubles? कारण next phase division साठी तो आवश्यक आहे. DNA doubles. Now see here G2 phase. This one. G1, yes, G2. Time period is 2 to 5 hours are given. 2 ते 5 तास या फेजला लागतात. G1 ला अंदाजे 8 तास. S ला 6 ते 8 घंटे. And approximately 2 to 5 hours are required for gap 2 phase. So it is the second gap phase. Nucleus increases in volume. या ठिकाणी न्यूक्लियसची व्हॉल्यूम इन्क्रीज होते. मेटाबॉलिक ॲक्टिव्हिटीज which are essential occurs in this phase, and we will find that here in the gap 2 phase the metabolic activities essential occurs in this phase. Various proteins are produced in the animal cell. Daughter pair of centrioles are produced. So here centrioles they are produced. Daughter pair, here the 2 centrioles they are produced, and we will find that this is the phase, last phase of the interphase. G1, yes, G2. So this is the interphase, and then the M phase. What is M phase? It is mitosis or meiosis phase. So all these phases, that is the in mitosis, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, they are produced. That is the mitosis. So this is the cell cycle, that is G1S, G2M. So G1S, G2M, these phases they are occurring in the cell cycle. Now what are the types of cell division? We can study in short. So first is amitosis. It is the direct cell division. एखाद्या न्यूक्लियसच्या मध्ये अंदाजे approximately at the central site constriction occurs. एखादा न्यूक्लियस आहे, त्या न्यूक्लियसच्या मध्ये कन्स्ट्रिक्शन तयार होतं आणि त्या न्यूक्लियसचे 2 भाग तयार होतात. दॅट इज बायनरी फिशन. सो इट इज द amitosis, and the 2 nuclei are produced from the single one. Then there is another cell division, that is called as the mitosis, and we will find that in the mitosis 2 cells are produced like the parent. Parent cell सारखे 2 सेल तयार होतात. They having equal number of chromosome like the parents, and so here the 2 cells like the parents they are produced. It is also a lengthy process. So it is further divided into karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means the division of nucleus, and cytokinesis means the division of cytoplasm. So याच्यामध्ये कसं डिव्हिजन होतं? पहिली प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज, टेलोफेज, and then cytokinesis. Firstly division of nucleus, that is the karyokinesis. Then the division of cytoplasm, that is the cytokinesis. And from one cell 2 cells they are produced. They are like the parent cell. So this is the mitosis. These are the 3 different types of cell division. One is amitosis, second is mitosis, and third is meiosis. half number, the meiosis takes place at here the divisions they are two types. First division is that is meiosis first, it is the reductional division. असणारा डबल नंबरचा क्रोमोझोम सेल मधला कमी होऊन जातो अँड देन द इक्वेशनल डिव्हिजन आहे त्या नंबरच्या मध्ये विभागणी होते आणि सारख्याच प्रकारचे सेल आपल्याला तयार झालेले मिळतात. सो मियोसिस इज युजफुल फॉर द रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस. पुनरुत्पादनाच्या मध्ये गॅमेट तयार करण्याच्या कामी मियोसिस कामी येते. या ठिकाणी तीन प्रकारचं सेल डिव्हिजन आहे, अमायटॉसिस, मायटॉसिस अँड द मियोसिस. We have to study these cell divisions in detail. So in the cell cycle, G1S, G2 and M phases they are present here. After the preparation of the cell for next cell division, here the cell divisions they are found. They are three types: mitosis, mitosis and the meiosis. Thank you.